All right, today I wanted to talk about how we can use synthetic division to factor a polynomial. And on these problems, what's going to happen is they're going to say use synthetic division to show that x is a solution and then factor the remaining polynomial. So on this problem, we're given this big long polynomial 2x cubed plus x squared minus 43x minus 60. And they've told us that x equals negative 4, and we want to show that this x equals negative 4 is a solution with synthetic division and then factor it. So, what we're going to do is we're going to do synthetic division. And with our polynomial, we fill in our coefficients, 2, 1 for this one, negative 43, and negative 60. All right. And often with synthetic division, remember they usually tell us that we're going to divide by something like x plus 4. All right. And of course that equals 0. But they've told us that x equals negative 4, and what we learned with synthetic division is that if I'm dividing by x plus 4, I'm going to divide by a negative 4. All right? And so now we just do our synthetic division like normal. Bring down my 2. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Then I combine 1 and negative 8. That makes negative 7. Negative 4 times negative 7 is positive 28. Combine these two, and I have negative 15. Negative 4 times negative 15 is positive 60. When I combine these two, I get a 0. And that means that we have shown that x is a solution. When I divide by this thing, if I get a 0 here, I have shown that it's a solution. But now we're supposed to factor the remaining polynomial. Well, the remaining polynomial, I'll use a different color here, is 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. All right, if I do product sum, 2 times negative 15 is negative 30. Two numbers that multiply to get negative 30, but that when I add them I get negative 7 is going to be what? Negative 10 and 3. So that's 2x squared minus 10x plus 3x minus 15. Split this in half. 2x, pull out a 2x. I have 2x times x minus 5, so I'm hoping for an x minus 5 here. Yes, if I pull out a 3. So this thing factors into 2x plus 3 times x minus 5. But wait a minute, my original polynomial is a cubic. There's got to be another factor. Well, the other factor is the one that we already verified. If I'm told that x equals negative 4, then I can do a little algebra here and find out that x plus 4 is the other factor. So now I have finished factoring that big long cubic just because I was given this one piece of information that x equals negative 4. And we will stop there for today.